I don't call it a change, I call it a revolution. So I was actually always conscious about my smile. I don't remember when was the last time I smiled with my teeth wide open. I think it would be probably in nursery when I was not that conscious. But as I started growing up, I did felt the heat and I was very shy. I was never willing to smile with teeth wide open. I was looking for treatment. I tried with Invisalign. I visited their blogs, consulted with a few of the doctors, but never really got inspired or someone giving me that boost or saying that don't worry, you just go ahead and I'll take care of the rest. And I think that's a very important assurance that you need from your doctor whenever you go for treatments like this, which I got.
So how do you come to know about this clinic?
So I was actually Googling. I tried with Google. I was getting a toothache that day and I was not sure where to go. Then I found this clinic, Cosme Dental. The name sounded attractive, rating was good, and then I came and visited.
Who was the doctor you met?
I met Dr. Aritra Mandal. He was a very friendly doctor. He immediately boosted up my morale and my problem was something, but then I ended up landing in a different place. I think all thanks to the doctor. So while I was getting into this smile makeover, I could connect with the doctor, as in that he showed me a lot of photographs of various models, various people in the limelight who have actually done or have gone for this. In fact, a lot of natural smile of people across the internet was shown to me. But at the same time, the most important advice that I received was to carry my own identity, because a smile represents someone's own identity and it should not appear that I mimic or rather I look like a different person. We had a photo session where the doctor could see that I had a gummy smile. My gums were very prominent. Hence, they have to be trimmed off. Also, my teeth were not aligned properly. They were at different levels. One was, up and down. The alignment was not proper. Proposed 2 lines of treatment. One being the correction with the braces, but considering my condition, it would have taken around 2 years when I did not have such a long time frame to spare. Crowns versus wearing braces, it was 2 years versus 2 months, and of course I chose the 2 months option. I went ahead with crowns. The first step was to cut off my excess gums because I was having a gummy smile. I trimmed my gums in order to make the alignment proper, and then I was given a healing period of 4 weeks, and then I had to come and visit the doctor. Meanwhile, in this time of 4 weeks, I was asked to maintain hygiene. I was taking proper care of myself so that the foundation is proper. And within this time frame, all the root canals were also done so that they could be strong enough to hold my crowns. After the period of 4 weeks, I visited the doctor again, and the remaining of my tooth or other teeth had to be cut off because I had multiple crowns. After the surgery, I could see a lot of changes. People started noticing it, and I was very happy. My gums had already, stopped, appearing visually. So my aesthetic look was way pumped up right after the surgery. So when I visited the doctor after 4 weeks again, my teeth were trimmed off. Of course, I was very certain, and I told him that I don't want to, look weird. So of course, I was given a temporary set of crowns so that people don't know what's going on behind the scene. And I was happy. And then I was eagerly waiting for my, perfect set of crowns so that it all matches up with my teeth. Right before the delivery of my crown, he ensured that I get the perfect alignment, and of course that should be between both me and the doctor. I should be happy, and equally he should also be feeling happy that he could see his patient smiling. So then we had a rehearsal. We did put up the crowns, then a few trimming and a few, I could say, the finishing steps were done in order to made it fit perfectly right. I was very happy. And yeah, I was very happy because I could just imagine myself wearing the perfect set of smile, which I haven't been wearing in the last 25 years. Another interesting thing that came forward when I was in touch with the doctor was that, your smile, or rather your teeth, they are the reflection of your personality. Honestly, being in marketing profession, I was never too aware that your teeth could also reflect your persona. But yeah, I was enlightened with this knowledge, and then considering what are my inert, or rather my trait, my inert characteristics, which probably I do not display in public, and whatever set of crowns or my treatment, they were made as per that. As I am an outspoken person, I was being advised to go for a more prominent smile so that my central incisors are absolutely visible. And I was very happy with the treatment because I could also feel that that's the same person. Or when I see myself in the mirror today, I'm like, yeah. So it's not that I am I have a teeth of an elephant, that I show something from outside but something from inside. But yeah, my look is absolutely aligned, and I'm so thankful for that. So everything every minor details were kept in mind while my smile was designed, and I think that's the reason why the change is so massive. And I don't call it a change, I call it a revolution.